I got guns in my head and they won't go. Darn. Wala. Hala.
Nang hilakbot ang mga residente ng Bataraza sa Palawan kamakailan, nung nahuli kam sa silong ng kanilang mga bahayan, ang isang buwaya na tila mas malaki pa raw sa tinawag na world's largest captive crocodile na si Lolong. Tawagin nyo na lahat ng mga santo. Kung ito ang makikita nyo sa ilalim ng inyong tulay.
Ayan, iilangan mo lang siya, ilangan mo.
Grabe ngipin niya, uy.
Isang higanteng buwaya na ayon sa mga residente, posibleng mas malaki pa sa minsang may hawak ng titulo na world's largest crocodile in captivity, ang 20 feet at 1,000 kilos na si Lolo.
Hi. Ito ang pinapanood ko naman. Hi, Sustin. Hi, Koki. Alex Gum. I got guns in my head. So, just na kayo na mapapanood. Ano ba yung tunog ng baby crocodile? So, panood ko na yung Final Destination pa eh. What's this? Panood ko na siya.
I think I fell in love with All Stars when Alaska won All Stars. I was just so obsessed with All Stars 2 and Alaska winning and just like everything she does.
Oh, the one that look like Cher.
So,
Monet Stage. That's my sister. I love Monet. Her and Bob together. Problematic. They be talking crazy. But I love Monet.
Trixie Mattel, are you kidding me? Trixie is like the staple.
She is the brand. She is the icon. She's the legend.
Bitch, you are one of the most famous drag queens in the world. And you have been for over 15 years.
You should know I'm one of the most famous drag queens in the world.
Bitch, you are one of the most famous